Too bad we're in quarantine, because honey, I need to be in Jamaica or somewhere looking like this. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candice, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do these super cute, super easy, super affordable distressed butterfly locks. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already got started, but that's only because it's easier for me to show you the front of my hair instead of the back of my hair. So that's the only reason why I went ahead and got started, but I am going to show you guys how to do this style. So honestly, the only thing you really need for these distressed locks is the FREETRESS braid water wave hair, 22 inches. I am using a color 1B. So yeah, this is all you need, and I ordered mine from Amazon, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box for you. Alright, so let me take my bun out to show you guys. So as you can see, I already braided my hair into like these little individual plaits. I did it yesterday. I wanted to split it up to make it easier for me. So I braided my hair yesterday, and then I decided I was going to wrap my hair today. So if you don't want to do this all in one sitting, you can just do that. I recommend it, you know, unless you're just good like that and do it all in one day. But for me and for my body, my hands, the way I'm set up, I need to separate this into 2 days. I'm not the perfect braider, but you know, it's good. And I feel like it kind of goes with this style anyway, the whole distress look. So it's supposed to be messy, kind of, you know. So I feel like it helps the look. Alright, but anyway, let me go ahead and put this back up so I can get all of these braids out the way. Alright, so now that I got my hair out the way, I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. So when you take the hair out, it's going to look like this. It's going to be like a whole bunch of little springs of hair or whatever. But we don't want to add it to our hair like this. We have to fluff it. So how I fluff my hair is that I take one end and start fluffing it just with my thumb or whatever nail is your longest. I fluff it a little bit at one end. And then I go to the other end and fluff that one. And the only reason why I fluff the ends is because when I pull it apart in the middle, it makes it easier for me to do so. So then I go to the middle of the hair, split it into two, and then I just pull it apart. Sometimes you gotta put a little bit more oomph into it, but yeah, you just pull it apart. Sometimes it's gonna fight you, sometimes it won't. So yeah, so now it looks like this. So just for comparison, this is what it looks like before you fluff it, and this is what it's supposed to look like afterwards. Alright, so if you've been binge watching these videos like I have, you may have seen a lot of people using the crochet tool to put their hair in, and you can do that. It's probably more secure, but y'all, I ain't got time to fool with this needle. I really don't. So I'm gonna show you another way I saw a girl doing it, and that was just so much better, so much easier for me. So what I do and what I've done, and they in there, honey, they in there. So what I've done, I take one end of the hair and put it next to my braid. Like this. I hope you guys can see. So I have one long piece of hair on one side, and then I have a super short piece of hair on the other side. And for the short piece of hair, I attach it to the braid, just keep it close to the braid. And then for the long piece, I start wrapping around the root really, really tightly. And I'm keeping my finger here just so I can make sure that it's tight. But I wrap it around like 3 or 4 times, maybe 5. And then once I feel like I have a secure base, I go ahead and start wrapping down the braid. And don't forget, I still have this hair, this short piece of hair with the braid. And for the first few wraps down the braid, I'm still wrapping tightly. And then once I get about this far, I start doing the distress look. So to do the distress look, what I've been doing is the pinch method. So what I do is I just pinch the hair right here. So as you can see, I'm not grabbing the whole strand of hair. I'm just grabbing a little section, then the rest of the hair is just connected to it. And then I just lazily, messily just throw it over. And then I do it again. I pinch it and just throw it over. Pinch it, throw it over. And this is going to help you get those bubbles, the curls, whatever, like right here. It's really going to help you get that. And it's just an easy way to do it for me instead of doing like the thumb thing or whatever I've seen other people doing. Just pinch it and throw that thing over and call it a day. So there you go. And you just work your way down. Pinch and throw. Pinch and throw. Say what? Pinch and throw. Alright, we stop. So yeah, you just pinch and you throw. And you just work it all the way down the braid. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so when it comes to the braids in my hair, I just decided to braid my regular hair because I like the length of my regular hair braided. But of course, if you want your hair to be longer than your natural hair length, then just add some braiding hair. And then if you have some left over, usually I have a lot more than this left over. But anyway, whatever you have left over, once you get to the end, you just work it back up the braid, or lock now. You just wrap it back up. And then to end it, guys, the only thing you have to do is just keep wrapping until you can't wrap anymore. It'll hold, trust me. I guess because of the curl pattern in the hair, that's what make it stay. But yeah, you don't have to do anything extra to make it stay. Just keep wrapping until you can't wrap anymore and it'll stay. For the ones in the back of my hair, when I was starting, I was just tying a knot. So you can do that if you want to. So again, I'm going to show you guys another one. Let me pull a braid down. I hope I'm explaining it good for you all. I'm hoping the camera catch everything because I don't know until I edit. But again, I'm taking one end of the hair and separating it, just pulling it apart like this here. Oh, can y'all even see me? Yeah, like that right there. And then I go to the other end and just start separating it as well. And then I go to the middle and just pull. And like I said, separating the ends just make it easier for me to pull from the middle, because at first when I was pulling without separating them, it would always get tangled once I got to the end. See, that was a smooth pull. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have one side that's really long and one side that is short, and put the short side of the hair at the base of your braid, so that way we can wrap the other hair around it. So with the rest of the hair, we're just going to start wrapping around the root very, very tightly to make sure it's secure. And I'm sorry y'all if my hand is in the way because I kind of need my finger here to hold it. And then once you get it tight around the base, you go ahead and start wrapping down a little bit tightly. So wrap it around. And then once I get to about this length right here, then I start doing the distress thing. So again, I just pinch the hair and I throw it over. Pinch the hair, throw it over. Y'all, just don't get tangled around my arm. Alright, I'm back. Pinch and throw. So yeah, just remember, pinch and throw. And like I tell you, y'all, this pinch and throw is so simple. The hardest thing about this hairstyle is doing the freaking braids before. Like, ugh, having to try to part your hair. I know my part's still crooked, but I don't care. But that's really the hardest part. The hardest part of this hairstyle is braiding your hair. But yeah. Just keep going. Okay, so yeah, I have a lot more hair left over once I got to the end of this. So again, once you get to the end, you just want to start wrapping back up the lock. Just throw it over and wrap it up. So yeah, you just keep wrapping up the lock like this. Until you can't wrap anymore. And bam, you got another lock. Y'all, these things are so messy, so cute. I love them. Alright guys, so you see how looking cute? You see all of these distressed locks or whatever? They are so cute. Okay guys, so like I said, I am going to go ahead and time lapse the rest of this. I just have this part of my hair to do, just a little front part. It's not that much. So yeah, I will see you guys when I am finished.
Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
Alright y'all, so this is the finished look, and guys, I feel so cute. I feel like these locks were made for me, honey. This is so cute. They are lightweight. I don't have any tension on my scalp or anything like that. They feel so good, so comfortable on my head. I will say it's a little itchy around my neck. It ain't nothing like too serious, but you know how it is with synthetic hair when it's rubbing on your neck all day or whatever. But other than that, I am in love with this style. It is so cute, and they're also super simple to take care of at night. All you need is like a jumbo bonnet. This is what I did last night, child. You get this jumbo bonnet, pop it on there, bam, there you go. I went to sleep just like this last night, and then in the morning you just take it off and you back to being your fly self, honey. So yeah, I don't see any problem with these things now. I know you're gonna come in the comments, don't ask me how to take these out, because honey, I don't know yet, honey. I do not know how I'm gonna take these out of my head when the time comes for it. But I mean, we gonna see. We gonna do it together, because I'll record it. Ain't gonna be no tutorial because I ain't gonna know what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together, because baby, I don't know how to take these things out. But they cute while they in, though. That's all that matter. They cute. They cute. I know y'all be sick of me. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comments if you like this style and if you're going to do it yourself. But yeah, like I said, the hardest thing about doing these locks is the braiding and parting, and that's just because I suck at parting. If you're good at parting, then you know you're gonna be straight. But for me, that was the hardest part, was just trying to part my hair and then braiding it. That was the longest part as well. But you know, you can just get your mama, daddy, sister, brother, cousin, friend, whoever to braid your hair for you if you're not good at it, and then you can just wrap it yourself, because the wrapping part is so easy and it doesn't take long at all. So yeah, this is perfect. Too bad we're in quarantine, because honey, I need to be in Jamaica or somewhere looking like this. But anyway, guys, let me stop fooling with y'all. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for watching this video. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Share this video if you care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.